Hey guys, I am back again with another Sound of the Day video. My name is Jessica, and today our sound is the f sound. When we make the f sound, notice how I put my top teeth on my bottom lip. And I push the air and just let it flow out of my mouth, like this. To make the f sound, our voice did not need to be on. Make sure our voice is turned off. Go ahead and practice. Good job. I like how you rested your top teeth on your bottom lip and let that air just flow right out. I like to call the f sound the windy sound because to me it sounds like wind just rushing out. Let's go around my house and see if we can find a few things that start with our f sound. Ready? Let's go. One thing I found in my house that starts with the f sound is a fan on my ceiling. A fan keeps us nice and cool when we turn it on. A fan starts with our f sound. Ready? Now let's go see if we can find something else. I scooped out some dog food. Food starts with our f sound. Let's go see if we can find something else. Another thing that I found in my house that starts with the f sound is furniture. In every room of my house, I have different pieces of furniture. In my living room, I have a comfy chair and this bookshelf over here that holds different knickknacks and picture frames. Furniture starts with our f sound. Hey guys, thanks again for going around my house with me today and helping me find different things that start with our f sound. Now it's your turn. Go around your house and see if you can find 2 or 3 things that start with our f sound. As you find them, feel free to post videos, pictures, or type in what you find. I cannot wait to see everything that you all find. Also remember to keep an eye out for more Sound of the Day videos as we continue to practice our sounds while we are safe at home. Thank you. Bye.